We're the only people who applaud on landing.
On behalf of this flight from Ed Santos Airlines, we'd like to welcome you to Punta Cana. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, your seat backs and your tray tables must remain in their full fighting lock position. Once the cabin turns off, the fasten seatbelt sign, be careful when opening over your bins. Items may be shifted during flight. You may use your phones at this time, but remain seated with your carry-on. So if you are making a connection, check the ticket managers in the terminal for your flight number. And next time you're traveling, visit Southwest Acron.
So glad to be back in the Caribbean.